Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change WhatsApp chat color on PC. If we are in WhatsApp Web, we will start by clicking on the 3 menu points and then click on Settings. Here we will click on the chat wallpaper option, and we can click on the color we want to change it. The change will be applied to all your chats. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If we are in the WhatsApp desktop app, we will click on the settings option and then on personalization. Inside here we can see the different colors that we can choose. Click on the one we want and we will see that the new color is applied to all your chats. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.